What is your OF off? There is no way that's true. Fact/stat. 1. Unfrosted Pop-Tarts have more calories than frosted Pop-Tarts. 2. That paracetamol treats heartbreak pain, emotional pain, as it does physical pain. 3. You have to slap a chicken at 3,725 miles per hour to cook it. 4. In 1830, the average 13-year-old male in the US drank the equivalent of 5 beers per day. 5. Some worms were frozen solid for over 40,000 years in Siberian permafrost, then some scientists revived them. So they were actually not dead, just resting. 6. The last execution by guillotine in France occurred the same year Star Wars was released. 7. Orcas are a natural predator of moose. 8. There is more hydrogen in 1 gallon of gasoline than there is in 1 gallon of liquid hydrogen. 9. The largest air force in the world is the US Air Force. The second largest air force in the world is the US Navy. 10. There were only 26 episodes of the original Scooby-Doo. 11. If you're 7 feet tall, you have a 1 in 6 chance of landing in the NBA. 12. Losing weight? When your body burns fat for calories, that mass is turned mostly into carbon dioxide. On a calorie deficit, the excess weight leaves your body through breathing. You are getting slimmer by exhaling. 13. A million seconds is 12 days, a billion seconds is 31 years. That's the difference between a millionaire and a billionaire. 14. The sun contains 99% of the solar system's mass. 15. Sharks existed before trees did. 16. If you earned $5,000 an hour 24 hours a day from the time the pyramids in Egypt were constructed until today, the world's richest man would still have more money than you. 17. It was only 66 years from the Wright brothers' first flight to Armstrong walking on the moon. 18. If you lived to be 84 years old, you spent roughly 28 years sleeping. 19. Ancient Egypt lasted so long that ancient Egyptian archaeology was a career in ancient Egypt. 20. You can fit all the planets in our solar system between Earth and the Moon, although no one has ever tried. 21. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. 22. A full-size basketball court can fit inside a soccer penalty box. Still amazes me. 23. Rats can laugh, we just can't hear it because it's not in our audible range. 24. Hannibal Lecter only has 16 minutes of screen time in Silence of the Lambs. And Freddy Krueger has only 7 in the original Nightmare on Elm Street.